Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can export your contacts from the Zoho CRM. So let's get right into it. Now, you might be exporting your contacts for a variety of purposes. Usually it is used when you're migrating your contact list to another service or just wanting to save it as a copy on your device in general. Now, what you need to do to actually export your contacts is, of course, first go into the contacts module. Once you're here, you'll see a list of all your contacts. And now what you need to do is click on actions. Once you click here, just go all the way down on the list until you find export contacts near the bottom and click on that. This is going to open up this page where you just need to select the module. In this case, it's going to be the contacts. Then contacts custom view, you can select all contacts, all locked contacts, my contacts, whatever you want. But in this case, I'll just select all contacts, and the fields, you can just select the fields from the custom view, all fields, or choose fields. I'll just select all fields, and you can exclude some if you want to. I will not. And then once you're done with that, you can just click export. Now, as you can see, it has been scheduled and it is currently in progress, and the contacts export is ready to download here in the bottom right. Just click on contacts and it should start downloading your file. And actually it did not, so let's click here and start the export, and it already has been started, so I'm not sure why. Okay, yeah, you can just click here to download it. I didn't remember where the button was. And yeah, as you can see, you get a zip file, and if I open up the zip file, it contains the CSV file with all your contacts, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.